Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G62. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter Transit Pass. And if you are able to find your Transit Pass selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card. Select card you would like to add to your Google account. Now you can scan your card or enter code manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. Let's go back and in the end let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.